program 2017 for our BCA batch. Orientation program 2017 enables the budding technocrats to visualize the 3 years academic journey. It aims at giving an insight into the curriculum design, which is based on pragmatic approach and maps the successful transformation of a student into a professional. On this August occasion, I take the privilege to extend a warm welcome to our distinguished guests. As it is customary to begin any auspicious occasion with invocation of Lord Ganesha and lighting of the lamp.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, sir. And this is a proud moment for us. And with all my gratitude to all the dignitaries on the dais today, Dr. Amit, Dr. Anurag, Mr. Anurag, Mr. Sandeep Marma, Mr. Saurabh Sharma, and Mr. Pradeep Singh. It is a privilege to extend a very warm welcome to all of you, where you are starting a new career for yourself. And believe me, I must congratulate you for actually choosing the very right career option for yourself. The way the dependency on computers, the information and the technology is increasing worldwide, the professionals in this field are required a lot. And I was happy to hear from Anurag that people are now preferred over the BTechs in computer sciences. The BCA, MCA people are more preferred in the corporate world. We have the Center for Skill Development, which works majorly on the people, individual, try to give that focus. And this year onwards that we have started and giving the mirrors to the people. Right? Mirror is like who you are, right? I don't know you, you are the best person to know yourself. Nobody else knows you better than this. But then, as an exercise to help you introspect yourself and know what are your abilities and capabilities so that you can develop it for your professional career and the development, the Center for Skill Development analyze you, will work on you right from the beginning in another 15 days, 20 days time, and they'll be able to give you a mirror on paper, which would talk about who you are. And so far that we have done with the students, the batches which have started a bit early, the courses, believe me, 98-99% of the people say, how do you know? So 4 times is the growth in terms of money, in terms of designation that she has acquired for. This is just one simple story, but there are a lot of such success stories with the people. Then why can't we create one for our own selves, right? So each one of us, we expect that after 3 years time, each one of us come out as a success story for ourselves and really do good in our corporate journey, right? So with all that, a lot of things that we will keep discussing over a period of time. We'll have much more time for interaction with you, and we'll make sure that the individual focuses are there and you are able to develop yourself as the true professionals in the 3 years time. All the very best. Thank you so much.
My heartiest welcome to all of you to Marva Studios. Heartiest welcome to all of you to Asian Education Group. And I'm so excited today because it's been 2-3 years we've been planning to launch this kind of a course which is called BCA. I'm so happy that we have so far established one of the finest film schools of the world under the name of Asian Academy of Film and Television. We had a department of cinema which is doing well. We have a school of journalism which is doing very well. We have a school of fashion which has created a havoc and news all over the country. We have a wonderful school of hospitality and tourism. We are doing very well when it comes to a school of graphics and animation. We are happy that the management school has done so well under the leadership of Dr. Lalitya, Saurabh and Gurdeep. And the law school, which we started only a year back, has picked up like anything. And we were desperate to launch a school called where we can teach BCA. Trust me, my dear friends, 2004 I thought of one very important thing, that computer is going to play a very important role. People never paid much heed to what I was saying. Because जब आप कोई नई बात करते हैं तो आप बेवकूफ कहलाते हैं, पागल कहलाते हैं. तो मैं कई दफा पागल कहला चुका हूँ. That doesn't matter to me. And in 2006, we launched first time in India a BSc in graphics and animation. And people were amazed that how come a computer-based course can be a degree course. And I had little influence in one of the universities, and I got those courses cleared and got them converted into a degree course. Determination is not sold in market. Remember that. It has to come within. You have to develop that power within, that I have to achieve something in life, and start working on your project, which is a 3 years hard, rigorous education, but interesting education at this campus. So my dear friends, all the best, and I wish you all the success, a very comfortable stay in this campus. If you have any problem, any inquiry, any suggestion, you are most welcome to come back to us and give your polite advice to us. Remember that there is a very thin line between a suggestion and a complaint. When you complain, you are rejected. When you suggest, you are accepted. So develop that kind of attitude and start working with the team which has been deputed here for your future, for your career, very seriously. And I hope, I presume, I believe, and I trust that this course is going to give us a new strength to the Asian Education Group, and all of you are going to bring colors to this education setup. And I am projecting you as a top big IT and computer persons all over the world, establishing yourself in best of the designations possible. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
So I was thinking, all the while, so I've been speaking at various days, so I was just remembering my school days as to what to talk to somebody who has just entered the professional world. So, so one big news I can give you guys today is that, and also brings me here with a lot of passion, is because I started my career with the first degree as BCA.
Wonderful.
Right? So, BCA used to be a new course at that point of time, and I joined it around about 1999-2000. And since then, the technologies have 100% changed. What we studied and what it is today, if you were to talk about Java or any other language, things have really changed. Another important thing that I wanted to share with you guys is the field that you have chosen. Of course, you have to learn it very, very well for the next 3 years. But you have to continue the same passion for the next 30 years. If you really want to live the, length of your entire career. Because you are in a field that changes very drastically, very dynamically. And you have to constantly upgrade your knowledge and see what is coming next. Now let me give you some examples related to that. For example, your overall thought process, right from now, should change in such a manner that you should start looking the application behind everything that runs on technology. When I say that, your course itself, see, what does BCA mean? Bachelor's in Computer Applications. So the application itself starts from there, right? Imagine you are in a course which, from the name of it, talks about an application. It's not talking about you to, so obviously, what you understand is that BCA karke main kya banunga, developer banunga, programmer banunga. I will sit in front of a computer, design a computer program, and that's it. I have endless examples. It will keep coming to my mind and I'll continue. But the point is that from now onwards, when you are in metro, you should see किसने engine बनाया. When you are in metro, you see इसका शीशे के ऊपर क्या नाम लिखा है, कौन सी कंपनी शीशा बनाती है इसमें. These are some of the things that you should actually start visualizing. TV देखो, एकता कपूर का सीरियल कम देखो, advertisement ज़्यादा देखो. Because obviously, every ad will have a message, and you know where the technology orientation, what this company is trying to do. That will bring you awareness, and you will develop as an whole individual. And once you develop as an individual, see, company will come to the campus to pick you up, but you will go alone in the company. Teacher will not go along with you, na? वहाँ पे तो आप अकेले ही बैठोगे ना कुर्सी पे. So I am more interested in you as a whole individual, rather than, you know, of course the college is a launch pad, it gives you the basic education, but how much have you grasped is the question that you have to answer. So very important. पहला दिन है, बहुत heavy message है, but life में fun भी करो, enjoy करो life में. But the point is, keep your focus very clear and learn the application orientation behind everything. All the best. Thank you very much.
I would firstly like to extend a very warm welcome to all the dignitaries present on the dais today. I would like to welcome all of you to Asian Education Group, Asian School of Business to be precise. I would say that it's a new phase in your life. If I talk about schooling being a phase, graduation being a phase, and then probably the people who wish to continue with their post-graduation after this again entering into a phase. So if I treat schooling as the foundation, this is the core, and probably the post-graduation would be the end, or the job which you take up, or the work which you start on your own could be the ending part. So as you say, it's the core, it is also very important. In my 9-year journey in the education industry over here, I have seen that students treat the college life to be, you can say, slightly easier. Probably they find more discipline in the school, and then they expect to be themselves more disciplined in the post-graduation years, because they feel that this won't probably get us a job, but probably post-graduation will get us a job. But it's not like that. This core, which is the 3 graduation years, are also very, very crucial. If I relate it to an example, say suppose if there's a big stone or a boulder which is to be broken, though it is broken by the last stroke of the hammer, but it doesn't mean that the first and the second and the third strokes were also not important, isn't it? So these are the middle strokes probably. Same way, these 3 years are again the core part, the very important part, and I would say the shaping up part of yours. So you'll get, yeah, slight freedom. Probably some of you were using your buses, your parents were dropping you, and then it was always like that we'll come to the college and we'll have our own conveyance, our cars, our two-wheelers, and you expect a lot of freedom to be given to you by your parents. That's okay, but then misusing it and using it is completely up to you. I would say use it, because at the end of the day, it is only going to change one person's life, and that is you. It's not going to change my life or anybody out of the people sitting over here, this side, their life, or for that matter your parents' life as well. Maybe they will be happy, but at the end of the day, you're just creating one person's future, and that person is you yourself. As I'm here only, I'm not going anywhere, unlike the guests, so we'll have ample amount of time to be interacting with you people as well. So my best wishes are with you. We, Asian School of Business, Asian Education Group, are there for you. You're free, as Mr. Marva said very rightly. You can always come up with suggestions, whatever they are. We are open to it, we are welcoming it, and we are there for you. We also want to shape up your future, because that we also have an interest in that. Because if you people are happily making your careers over here, if you people become something big or achieve something big in the coming years, Asian School of Business gets to benefit, number 1. 2, we feel also good, no? That people who have studied in our institution and the students who came over here at a young age are shaping up their careers, and yes, it gives a very proud feeling. Okay. So with those thoughts, I welcome you all again to Asian School of Business for this program, and I hope you have a wonderful 3-year stay and journey over here. Thank you so much.
Couple of things, couple of information shared by the knowledgeable people today. And there were a couple of examples which was being shared by you. Well, I'll say that you're from different towns, different backgrounds, different boards, right? A couple of decisions you have taken in your life. But this is one of the right decisions you have taken in your life, either by you, either by your parents. You're at the right place. Right? What my profile is, I'm into recruitment for last 15 years. And I'm going to a couple of colleges, meeting the people, faculty, directors, chairmen. But I definitely have heard about, very good about the Asian Business School. And I got a chance to meet Mr. Marva today, and the vision he has, for you guys, for his students, I'm pleased to, listen that, hear that. So definitely, you get a job. But my expectations are not changed. Here, you will make your career, not a job. You all will be successful people. Alright? If the chairman is like this, director is like this, I'm sure there are a couple of Dronacharya, faculty members. Right? So I'll not talk about the technology, which I used to talk to the final year students during the time of placements, recruitment, what industry goes on. Almost things have been shared today. But I'll say one thing. Right? There are a couple of questions in your mind. BTech और हम BCA, ये किसके मन में सवाल आता है? I want some interaction. पहला दिन है, it's fine. किसके मन में सवाल आता है that BTech gets a good job, BCA को नहीं मिलता है, या BCA को मिलता है, क्या मिलता है? How many are from NCR region? Delhi NCR में रहते हो? 3 लोग. बाकी लोग बाहर से. From where are you? West Bengal. Very good. और आप लोग दिल्ली से बाहर के और कौन-कौन? Please raise your hand. 2 लोग. कई सारे लोग हैं, right? And I know today is the first day, right? Hesitation is there, right? And I'm pretty sure ये 3 दिन में निकलने वाला है. You all will be rocket. And this institute is a launching pad under the umbrella of Mr. Marwan Asia group, right? So, few things I would like to tell you. There is no difference between BTech and BCA. What industry need is open mind, dedicated people, right? Simple. And what BTech is doing? From day one, they are involved into the technology. पढ़ाई शुरू कर देते हैं. Curriculum के अलावा doing R&Ds. Right? I went to various colleges. What I found, the example given by hospital mobile van by Dr. Amit. And I met one of the students from NIT Jalandhar. What he did, he said, मोबाइल वैन इंडिया में तो किसी गांव में नहीं जा सकता, यहाँ से 250 किलोमीटर दूर. It will be difficult. So what that student did, पंजाब के किसी गांव से उसकी दादी की तबीयत खराब हुई, जब तक वो यहाँ पर आई मेदांता में, she was no more. So we test method and get to identify. What that guy did, he prepared a drone, helicopter, with some space where the samples ample, sample की इसमें bottles में भर सके. It can fly that place, and some doctor can take the samples before the patient will come. The drone will come, and doctor can identify with the sample, blood samples, what is the problem. Immediately the patient will, in the bed, they can start the treatment. कोई और नहीं. One of the students like me. One of the students had started like a couple of engineers to be needed in the call centers to identify machine नहीं काम कर रहा है, printer नहीं, washing machine नहीं. Identified कि let's introduce the concept of beeps. एक beep बज रहा है तो ये problem है, 2 beep बज रहा है तो ये problem है. क्योंकि टेक्निकल चीज सामने वाला पता पाता है कि नहीं जिसकी में प्रॉब्लम है. इधर से तो सुनने वाला टेक्निकल है, बोलने वाला टेक्निकल है कि नहीं. Now my maid is able to complain in a BPO कि 2 beep बज रहा है, 2 ही beep आ रहा है इसमें. This is the, he is able to identify. Now this is the problem. I'll send a relevant guy. Again, this concept is introduced by one of the young, fresh engineers, graduates like me, during their studies. Right? So there are a couple of things, examples. So involve into the real world, look at the things कि ये चल रहा है, क्यों चल रहा है, right? और क्या ये भी हो सकता है? Now where the hindrance is, what I feel, you don't ask the questions, right? हाथ उठाने में हिचक है, क्या मैं सही बोलूंगा? प्रॉब्लम है? प्रॉब्लम है। क्या बोलेंगे लोग? That stops your learning. Learning stop, everything stop. You are studying good, but never stop your learning. Because once you stop asking the questions, learning is stopped. For you guys, during your first year, I'll say, ask the questions. Question is a question. No question is silly. Right? And we think कि ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसी एप्लीकेशन बननी चाहिए. मैं चाहता हूँ कि Mr. Marwa is a kind of person. If you get one more batch here of DCA, I'm sure he will start an IT company for you guys, right? Definitely, right? So, what I want, why don't a new application should come from this batch? सोचते हैं, it should come from right here. New concept, right? So, keep learning. Right? And everything is been talked. I'll get a chance to come again, then definitely I'll come and discuss few more things. Today is the first day. And all the best, guys. And you are at the right place. Go ahead, keep rocking. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to welcoming you all to Asian Education Group. For your professional course, I congratulate each one of you for taking the first and right decision towards your professional career by choosing right college and the right course. Today, when I look at you all, I see a lot of eagerness in your eyes and body language, as if you are eager to know each and everything about your new journey at Asian Education Group for next 3 years. And I appreciated your concern about the same. This inquisitiveness is very natural, and each of us are born with that. And believe me, that is the key of learning things at different stage of your life. I call this to live this life. I call this spark to live the life. This spark will always make you feel truly alive and open for learning. Do you remember that your childhood, how you enjoyed the thrills of crackers, dad stories, and the new toy that made you jump on the bed several times? That was all because of spark. Your spark, we are unaware, so you enjoyed every bit of it. As we grow and we learn things, start considering ourselves matured enough and constrain ourselves from learning, and thus start killing the spark in us, and result stop growing in us. So love yourself first and then others, with all their arts of living life spark. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
It's an honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this grand occasion of the orientation program of DCA batch 2017. I, on behalf of Asian Education Group, convey my deep regards and hearty thanks to our guests, Dr. Amit Parenja, Head Global Enterprise Solutions, Tata Communications Limited. Mr. Anurag Dubey, Head Talent Acquisition CEB. We are grateful to you, both of you, sirs, that you took your time and then came here and graced this occasion with your wisdom and with your thoughts. We are immensely blessed, and your presence has immensely benefited all of us. And I'm sure that all of us will take it, and particularly the students, for the next 3 years. I wish to express my profuse thanks to our President, Mr. Sandeep Marwa, for his encouragement, guidance, and for providing a stimulating environment for the overall educational development. It is your vision and leadership that has brought a revolutionary change in the media management and IT education. My sincere thanks goes to Dr. Lalitveer Shrivastava, Director AEG, Mr. Saurabh Sharma, Director Branding and Planning AEG, Mr. Gurdeep Singh Raina, Director Admissions and Marketing, for their immense hard work and for their passion for academic professionalism, which is a driving force behind the academic success of Asian School of Business. And a At the last, I would like to congratulate all the students of BCA 2017 batch for securing admission at Asian School of Business. I wish you good luck.